Despite its complexity, our heart is basically a pump. If it gets clogged, it doesn't work as efficiently, eventually causing it to break down. While parts of your water boiler can easily be replaced, the same can't be said for your heart, which needs constant maintenance to stay healthy. Fortunately, our body is well adapted to do that itself. We just need to give it a fighting chance. Although heart disease has many causes, the most common is arterial hardening, which is caused by fatty deposits in our blood vessels. If left untreated, it can lead to hypertension, loss of circulation, and even cardiac arrest as sections of the heart become starved of blood. Here's 6 foods that can clean out your arteries and keep deadly heart disease at bay. 1. Turmeric. This exotic spice can really add some punch to your meals. However, its benefits don't stop there. Turmeric is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatories due to a compound called curcumin. This not only reduces arterial inflammation, but also fatty deposits known as plaque by as much as 26%. That's pretty impressive for a pinch of spice. 2. Garlic. Although garlic isn't great for your breath and therefore inadvisable before a date, it releases a compound called allicin when crushed and digested, which can lower your risk of heart disease significantly. Allicin interferes with the production of cholesterol as well as slowing the oxidation of LDL. Combined, this is the perfect recipe for clean and healthy arteries. 3. Pomegranate. Known for being fiddly to eat, this seedy fruit is rich in antioxidants called phytochemicals, which protect your arterial walls from damage. It also increases the production of nitric oxide, which, despite sounding scary, actually helps dilate vessels and improves blood flow, reducing the risk of clots and fatty buildup. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in many oily fish, nuts, and seeds, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for your cognitive health, as well as promoting a strong heart. Besides increasing the amount of HDL, the good cholesterol, which helps reduce the bad kind, omega-3s prevent blood clotting and inflammation, which can both contribute to clogged arteries. Good dietary sources are fish, walnuts, chia seeds, and cod liver oil capsules. 5. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits such as oranges and many vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C, which are necessary for healthy connective tissues. Besides keeping your arteries maintained, vitamin C boosts your immunity, reducing inflammation and the risk of plaque. In fact, eating just 1 orange daily can reduce blood pressure significantly. 6. Niacin. Also known as vitamin B3, niacin is commonly found in chicken, organ meats, and leafy greens, which is instrumental in cardiovascular health. It increases your levels of HDL cholesterol, and it removes the dangerous low-density versions by transporting it to the liver for removal. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to clean arteries and remove bad cholesterol naturally. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.